Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the event emitters and custom events. Today, we'll be discussing about the hoisting concept in JavaScript. So, what is hoisting basically? Hoisting refers to the JavaScript engine moving declarations, not the initializations, right here. Hoisting refers to the JavaScript engine moving declarations to the top of their scope during execution, right? In simple terms, we can say like this. So we are trying to access the variables before the execution, right? So that's the process, we call it as hoisting. So let's there are two types of hoisting basically. One is variable hoisting and another one is function hoisting. Let's try to understand both with the simple example. I'll just come here. If I'll just do one thing. I'll just take where x equals some value. I'll just give in my case 3 and let me try to log the variable x here. I have to get the output undefined because we are trying to access the variable before its execution, right? So this process we call it as hoisting. If I try to run the code, we will get the output undefined. I hope this is clear. So this is simple example for the variable hoisting. Uh, let's try to understand the function hoisting. So I'll come here. Let me give a function. Let me take the name great here. Within this one, let me log something over here. So here, let me give hello. If I try to call the function before its execution, then I will get the output hello. But here the function greet, this one, this entire function is hoisted and callable, and it is callable before its definition. This one, function greet, this one, basically this entire function is hoisted and it is callable before its definition. We have to get the output hello, but the entire function is hoisted here, right? So if I try to run the code, I'll get the output hello. So I hope this is completely clear. So we saw what is hoisting and what are the types of hoisting. So mainly variable hoisting and the function hoisting, right? With a simple example. So next we will be discussing about the strict mode in JavaScript, nothing but use strict, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.